Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can switch your Binance account from a light mode to a dark mode. You'll be able to enable dark mode on your Binance account. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, enabling dark mode on your Binance account on your Binance app has so many advantages. One of them is that it's going to reduce your battery consumption. The second one is that it's going to reduce the amount of light that enters your eyes from your phone screen. Additionally, it's going to keep your operation on Binance safe and secured, since strangers will not easily see what is happening on your phone screen while you're making transactions on your Binance app. With the dark mode, strangers around you won't be able to see what you're doing on your Binance app. So guys, that's the importance of turning on dark mode on Binance. So guys, for you to do it, first of all, you tap on your Binance app. You can see it there, you tap on it. So guys, once your Binance app opens up, the next step that you have to take is to tap on your profile icon. You can see your Binance profile icon there. You can see there at the top left corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it at the top left corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here in your Binance profile page, what you have to do next now is to tap on the settings icon. You can see there at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings, you're going to see where it is written appearance. You have to look down there. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see under appearance we have two options, light mode and dark mode. If you want to enable your dark mode, what you have to do now is to tap on dark mode. If you want to convert your light mode to dark mode, what you have to do right away is to tap on the dark mode. So let me tap on it. So guys, once I tap on the dark mode, my screen color will change to black. The dark mode will be enabled automatically. So let me tap on it. So guys can see it's loading up. Wow guys, you can see I've switched my Binance account from a light mode to a dark mode. Now let me go back to my home page so you see it. So guys, you can see my Binance profile page is also in dark mode. Let me go over to the home page. So guys, you can see this is my home page and the dark mode has been enabled in all of the pages. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.